Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do Kuta Software Algebra 1 percent problems. There are several ways to solve percent problems. One way is by writing a proportion. So when you see the word what, it is an unknown, so give it the letter X. When you see the word percent, it means over 100. So we always write what, which is X, percent, which means over 100, it's always equal to is over off, and then the what percent. So the is 3 and off is 29. Once you have written that, then you cross multiply. It doesn't matter which direction you go, and I like to take the direction that involves the X first. So X times 29 is 29X equals 3 times 100 is 300. To solve for X, you divide by 29 so that the 29s cancel, and you have solved for X. Use your calculator to do 300 divided by 29, and you would get 10.3. And X is what? So what percent? So we know it is 10.3%. Let's try number 3. Once again, what percent would be X over 100 equals is over off. So 34 over 55, cross multiply, X times 55 is 55X equals, multiply 100 by 34, so 3400, divided by 55 to solve for X. 55s cancel, so you have isolated your X. Use your calculator and you would get 61.8. And since what is a percent, you present your answer here, 61.8%. Number 5 is set up a little bit differently. It's not what percent, it is 28%. So it's not X over 100. We know it is 28 over 100 equals is over off. Is what? What means you don't know, so it is X, a variable, over off, and off is 63. I'm going to choose the direction that involves the X, so I'm going to multiply this way. So 100X equals 28 times 63. I'm going to use the calculator. So 28 times 63, and I got 1764. To solve for X, divide by 100 so that the 100s cancel out, and you have solved for X. Whenever you divide by 100, your number gets smaller by 2 places, so go 1, 2 backwards. So it is 17.64. Now, X is not a percent. It is just a number. So 63 is 17.64. So 28% of 63 is 17.64. So that was slightly different. Let's set up number 7. Remember, it's always some percent equals is over off. I'm ignoring the 1 temporarily, and I see the words what percent. So I know it means X over 100. Now I'm going to look for is over off. I see 1 is, so 1 is the is. And I see off is 52.6. Cross multiply, and you would get 52.6x equals, multiply 1 and 100 is 100, divide by 52.6, we have isolated x, and I'm going to use my calculator. 100 divided by 52.6, and I get 1.9. And I look back here to see what x represents. X represents a percent. So present your answer as 1.9%. See the difference? Some of our answers have percent and some don't. X in this case represents a percent, but x in this case represents just a number. Let's do a couple more. Let's set up our proportion. This time we know it's 4%, so it's 4 over 100 equals is over of. Is what? And what is x? Of 73. So we cross multiply. That would be 100x equals. Cross multiply this way. Use your calculator. So 4 times 73 is 292. To solve for x, you divide by 100. So that x equals, once again, division by 100. You just move your place value, your decimal back twice. So it's 2.92. Then we go back and check, is x just a number or is it a percent? It's just a number. So that is finished. That's what x represents. Let's finish up with number 11. We set up a proportion. It's not what percent, it's actually 79%. So we write 79 over 100. Is over of. Is what? And what is x? Of 67. We won't write the miles for now. Cross multiply. So that would be 100x equals 79 times 67 is 5293. Solving for x, you divide by 100. So the 100s cancel. So x equals, again dividing by 100, your number gets smaller by 2 decimal places. So 52.93. Now we go back to see what x represents. It just represents a number, and in this case, miles. And we are done. Thank you for watching my video. If you would like to see another video with a different math topic, please leave a comment.